Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft launcher not opening easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do first, just go to settings. First thing you need to do is to make sure that your Windows is updated. If you find here an update, just update your Windows and restart your PC and try again. And if that doesn't fix it, let's move to the next method. Just go to settings, go to privacy, scroll down until you find background apps. Now you will find it like that. Just turn off all the applications here, or you can just turn it off by clicking this one here, and that's it. Now after that, just restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, close all the applications that you don't need here. Right click and close it. And that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.